Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
We're so excited to be back.
Because it's a Coffee Monday. We have Alani coffee, protein coffee, 10 grams of protein, Cappuccino. It should be pretty tasty, I think.
Sounds yummy.
Yep. So then, cooking at the important factoids, we got ourselves 90 calories, 2.5 grams of fat. We got 15 milligrams of cholesterol, 135 milligrams of sodium. We got 9 grams of carbohydrate, 1 gram of dietary fiber. Nice. 6 grams of total sugar, 10 grams of protein, 262 milligrams of calcium, 254 milligrams of potassium. Nice. And we have 110 milligrams of caffeine in this thing. Sounds good. Yeah. Get these opened up. Yep. You ready to be a shake?
What's it sniff like?
Whoops, that's stiff stack of cappuccino, that's for sure.
Nah. That's cool.
And it tastes like cappuccino. Yep, that's good.
Cake coffee energy drink.
Yep.
That was cool.
That's good. Nice, thick, cold cappuccino. Very tasty. Needs some ice though. You definitely have to have some ice, but
Yeah. Do not freeze.
yeah, exactly. Do not put it in the freezer because it is pressurized.
I like it.
I know, it is.
Very
Beautiful.
similar to one of the Starbucks in a jar.
Yes.
You're right, though. This needs to be a little bit more chill.
Yep. But other than that, I mean, thick, smooth, and very, very cappuccino-y.
Yeah.
Yes, rich cappuccino. Yeah, exactly.
That's very tasty. Very cool.
That is nice.
Awesome.
Those Alani coffees, those things are good. And 10 grams of protein in there too, so that's nice. And only 90 calories. So
Yeah.
that's
You
definitely
have a
nice.
good, on-the-go breakfast start.
Exactly. Yep.
Grab an apple, grab a banana, grab one of those, and you're off for the races.
Yeah,
Catching
exactly.
a flight, something like that.
Ooh, true. Yeah, flight would be
Yeah.
good. Yep. Before you get on the flight, before they take it away.
Yeah.
You definitely want to drink it before they take it away at the security. But anyways, that is good. I like that very, very much. So you should definitely try it out.
We recommend.
We recommend very well because those things
Where
are
have you
good.
seen those primarily?
Those are mostly at Target. So
That's
I think
cool.
they might be making their way into Publix's, but for the moment they're at Target for the most part. So,
Okay.
but that is a very tasty coffee there. So try it out.
Good
You'll
value-
like it.
Good value for the price.
I think so. I think we got them for 2 for $3, something like that. So not too bad for a coffee. So
That's cool.
yep. But anyways,
There you go.
try it out. You'll like it.
There you go.
Bye bye.